Okay, welcome back everyone. So let's go over the secrets of the brokers. Now some call the brokers market makers, and there's various titles. So your market maker is your broker. There's a saying within the market maker communities that 90% of retail traders lose 90% of their accounts within 90 days. So that's their saying. So when they're signing you up, so when they're sending out emails signing you up, they know that 90% of their customers are going to lose 90% of their account within 90 days. Yeah. So that's how quick their turnaround is. So they've got 90 days to rob 90% of your money. Right? And majority of the time, it's true. They're going to rob 90% of your money. Yeah. So we're going to learn the secrets of these market makers. One of the things that the brokers make you believe that there is opportunities every day within the forex market to trade forex, right? And every day that you do not trade, you are losing out. You are losing money. So this will spark a psychological imprint inside yourself, because you will have that fear of missing out. Yeah. And that's exactly what the market makers want you to behave like. That if I'm not trading, I'm losing money, which isn't the case. Yeah. So professional traders, they don't trade in pips. So that comes from retail forex brokers, right? So professional traders, they trade in percentages and basis points. Only the unit size is calculated in pips. But opportunities and risks shouldn't be calculated in pips, only the unit size. So don't fall into the trap of the brokers by counting, oh yeah, I made 100 pips. In the professional world, they don't count it like that. They count it in percentages and basis points, right? And this is the psychology that these retail brokers have put. So they put this whole ideology together, right? And they've made this whole education against you. So it's in the favor towards them. Yeah. So professional traders assess opportunities and risk, and that in them terms, risk is volatility in terms of base metrics. Yeah. So example, percentage and basis points. So for us traders, we want volatility. A few years back, I was in the retail sector, trading retail. Obviously, I still have a retail broker, but I don't trade the retail strategies that they gave us, right? So I attended the event, right? I attended the event and by a known broker, yeah. And when I attended the event, they gave me booklets. So I'll show you a booklet right here. So I'm sure we all know who this is, yeah. And yeah, they gave me this booklet, right? And it's a book full of strategies, a way to trade, and pretty much for me. I thought I was like this. I was gonna become a millionaire. I thought when I went to the event, I thought after I come out, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make loads of money. That's what I thought. Yeah. See, right here. Yeah, you see that? So they give me all these cycles, support, resistance, trend lines, moving averages. There's a whole book here, which I'll probably video it. I'll probably video burning it. Yeah, because it's bullshit. Yeah, because it's BS. So yeah, after I joined up their group, and I was in these breakout strategies and moving averages strategies, which is mostly BS, yeah, which works for them, because you're gonna lose most of the time, yeah. So don't forget, 90% of the traders lose 90% of the days. 90% of the traders lose 90% of their account within 90 days, yeah. So don't forget that. So and also, market makers have their false advertising, yeah, making you believe that you're a professional trader, yeah. Hence this course here. Yeah, so after I come out, I thought I was a professional trader, and like I said, I was gonna make loads of money, and my life's gonna change for the best, yeah. So that's what they had me believing, and I was one of them suckers. Unfortunately, I was one of them suckers that went down the rabbit hole and got caught. So professional traders, they don't trade day trade unless daily volatility allows them to, yeah. So that's why I said again, volatility is the key to trading. So again, going back to the brokers platform, right? They spend money making all these strategies. They spend money marketing. They spend money making all these free tools, like auto chartist tools, and they give it to you for free if you join their platform, right? I mean, if it's that easy to make money, we'd all be rich, yeah? So we're only fattening the pockets of these market makers, right? So they have you believing you're going to be a professional trader. They give you this bundle and they say, yeah, follow our strategies and you'll guarantee money, yeah? Like I said, if it's that easy, we'd all be rich, right? So why would they, think about it, why would they spend all this money for you, and then they give you leverage, or they lend you money, spend all this money, they lend you money for you to take money from them? Right? It don't make sense. It don't make sense. It's complete nonsense, right? And misselling education, right? So the education that they will give you is how to use their platform, how to buy and how to sell. Yeah, that's the key points that they're going to put in their education, right? And again, rebranding brokers as traders, right? So they have all these titles, they have all these titles, chief market specialists or chief market technicians. Yeah, they're just brokers. That's all they're known for, is just brokers. And it's quite sad, really, because when you're thinking about it, they get you trapped, right? They get you addicted to this lifestyle, yeah. That you're gonna make it, that you're gonna be rich. Follow our strategy. So they kind of brainwash you. They bring you in. They brainwash you and have you believe in something that is gonna fail you, right? Straight from the get go. So yeah, it's something that that a lot of people fall for this trap, you know, and you have and there's no education out there that goes against this, because these educators, right, that's on YouTube, these educators that are giving away, that not even giving away, that are charging for these courses, are conflict of interest for the brokers. So the brokers will obviously pay them a commission if they can bring in clients to take your money, right? That's their only interest, is to take your money. Yeah, there are some good mentors out there, don't get it wrong. There are professional institutes out there that will teach you how to trade properly, and that is where you want to put your money. You want to start sourcing out these guys, yeah? Not all these retail BS broker crap that's out there. Reflect back on what I just said and try and educate yourself on this brokerage, right? Because investment banks, right? Investment banks will will lend money to these brokers at a 2.5%, right? And then these brokers will charge you an interest rate of 3.5. So it's a win-win for them. So they're paying back the investment bankers their 2.5 and still taking a 1% or 1.5%, depending on whatever they charge you interest at. So, and then they're taking the spread, right? So they're taking the money from the spread, and whatever you lose, and also they're hedging against you. So they hedge against you, and they hedge against your position, because they know 90% of you're going to lose. So their win rate is going to be 90%, right? So it's a win-win for the brokers. It's a flawless business plan, and to be honest, I applaud the people that are doing it, because for us to fall into the trap and not researching and not studying, and we want the easy life, right? We want the easy way into the game, and that's our fault, right? Yeah, obviously we haven't got hundreds of thousands to invest, but if we can get the edge of what they're doing to us, right, and not fall into the strategies that they're giving us, and start learning other strategies, start learning fundamentals of things and how the forex market works, this will give us a better edge, because we can't go and open up a different account, because we're just retail. Don't forget, we're just retail. We're just small money. That's what we are, and they class us as dumb money, right? So we want to trade with the smart traders, where the smart money is. So we want to trade where the smart money is, right? Okay. So have a think about this, reflect back, and so subscribe to my channel, because there's always new content coming out. We're gonna do a deep dive into things soon. And anything you want to talk about, let me know in the comments down below. Do a thumbs up, like the page, and I'll see you soon. Stay locked.